Okay, let's see wait, what? They don't have my size here. Yeah, thankfully, this is not a problem. Uh, if you find that you need to add a custom paper size for your printers, for example, there's none here that I need, um, it's not a problem. Let's just go ahead and get out of this. And all right, so first thing you need to do is to determine the size that you need in inches. All right. Now, what I did is I came up, um, in this case, I knew the size in points. And anyways, it's uh, 558, 72 points per inch. Come up with 7.75 by 10.15. That's the size I need today. So 7.75 by 10.15. You saw it wasn't in the list. And now what I'm going to do is I go into my devices and printers and notice with nothing selected, I'm going to click off, nothing selected, then you only have add a device and add a printer in your ribbon bar up here. So I'm going to select the printer. In this case, it's going to be the Adobe PDF. And notice print server property immediately appears. So we'll select our printer, we go up to print server properties, and now uh, this gives our print server properties dialog box, and we're going to create a new form. So I'm going to check that, and then here's the form name. I'm going to call this the initials that I will remember for this is VM, for example. So instead of having to scroll down through all of these as I'm looking for VM, I use it all the time. So I'm going to throw it up to the very top of my list by putting a little tick sign. It's located to the left of the one, and that's going to sort it all the way to the very top. And again, our sizes were 7.75 by 10.15. So 7.75 by 10.15. Okay. And when I'm happy with these settings, I'm going to click on Save Form. And there it goes, right to the top of my list. I'm going to go ahead and click Close. And now, if you go into our printer properties now for our PDF printer, then we'll go to our preferences. All right. And then under Adobe PDF page size, the very top one, you can't see it from there, so um, the top one is VM. That's the one that I selected or that I just added in there, and we're good. Um, so I'll go ahead and uh, get out of that. I was just showing you as an example. One thing to mention is these settings are based on the user who is logged in. So if someone else that uses the computer for the same purpose, if they walk in, they log into your computer and those settings are not there, you're probably going to have to re-enter those settings for each person that's logged in. And that is how we save a new form.